What's up everybody? And today we're in Malaysia and we're gonna check out this place, Kukup. That is a place out in the sea kind of thing. We get to see like a mangrove forest, go and do some Canon fishing or like to see some marine life. So let's go check it out.
Last night with my friends was worth it. Sometimes I make this life thing harder than it needs to be. So many lights with us tonight, night.
So now we arrived at Pontian. So before we head out to Kukup, got people to come with me. Say hello.
Hello.
Say hello.
Hi.
That's all we got.
If the Russia like them.
One moment, one shot. I don't belong to somewhere else than where I lay my bags.
You what? So not used
It's
to
so hard to stay up and don't hide away behind the same old mask. But tonight I got the cool and I wanna go dance with you. So if you are in the mood, it's worth it. We don't belong with masks on. Leave them here and don't look back. So many lights.
Let's introduce you. This is Keegan the Sun Starer. So now we're in Kukup. We met the tour guide. Now we're gonna go into the van. We're gonna bring us to Kukup.
Wait, this is nice.
Where did they go? I don't know.
Okay, so we got Sun Starer. This one what? This one is Aviator. This is Uncle.
But this guy is a NASA guy.
NASA
NASA guy. Now it's our turn to board this little van. Alright, let's go.
Tomorrow's gonna be okay. One moment, one shot.
So when you come to Kukup, you get to have a few packages. You can get to go to the chalet, you can get like. But for us, we chose like to go for the mangrove forest. And apart from the mangrove forest, you get to go to the Kelong where they bring you there. There are many kind of other activities that you can really do. So you can have a great day again.
That's all we got.
And we are on board the boat.
One moment, one shot.
So this place, Kukup, is like we're going into the mangrove forest where it's like a kind of like a treetop walk kind of thing. You get to see all the different kinds of mudskippers and all the fishes. Just enjoy the nature. Hi Ross.
Hi. Have you tried the Pixel 2 yet? It's good.
Sick phone. we're actually at the Kelong, so now we're gonna take a tour of the fishes that they're gonna show us, like the puffer fish and all. Let's go check it out. And so that comes to mostly the end of the fishing part of this segment. Guys are still enjoying themselves trying to fish.
Yes. It's fun. But we only caught one fish. Miserable. Pathetic.
Can't even eat a fish.
But it's still fun. Overall experience very good.
First time?
Yep.
First time?
First time.
Alright. First time? So, when you come to Kukup, head out to the mangroves, come over to see the Kelong and try to do some fishing. So that's it for Kukup. Check this place out. So we are fishing.
The long one is it?
It's been an hour. It requires a lot of patience, but we are getting a lot of help. He's helping us. He's helping us. She's helping us.
So what have you learned so far?
Fishing requires patience, and patience is a virtue.
Wow.
Yeah,
That's so cliche.
exactly right.
Are you enjoying yourself?
Of course I am. I love fishing.
Your face is red.
Very red.
How is your experience so far, Keegan?
It's good.
Sorry, not Keegan. The sun not sterile.
It's very good. I like fishing.
Have you learned anything in this past 1 hour?
Yes. Patience is a virtue. You need to have patience before you can catch any fish.
So do you have any patience?
Yes. If not, I will not be a doctor.
You're not a doctor!
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Nice there.
Hello.
Right side.
What are you doing?
Right. 1, 2, 3, go. Nicely done.
Man overboard.